Okay, I am back. I had to compose myself. Okay, I'm gonna get the extra virgin olive oil, and we put 2 tablespoons in there. So yeah, just one second. I'm just gonna eyeball this. I just have the regular extra virgin olive oil. So a couple of tablespoons. I'll just say a couple of capfuls. 2. Okay. Now, the egg. I'm telling y'all right now. Sometimes when I think about a scrambled egg, it just like makes me want to throw up. Just seeing it, it just really bothers me. So I'm gonna try to push through this. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack this egg open. Oh my God. Oh. I'm sorry. I can't do this. I can't do this. Oh God, I can't do. I'm sorry. It's a fail. I can't do this. I can't do this. Oh God. I'm sorry. I can't, y'all. I can't.